Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for tuning into my video. I'm going to unbox and set up my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. What I did was I had it delivered and I didn't want it set up right away, so you go to your email and you click on activate my device. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box, and today's video was brought to you by freecoffeebox.com. It is a monthly subscription model for pour over coffee from all over the world, so it's a really cool idea, and you get 1 month free when you sign up for the full year, so you can go ahead and check that out at freecoffeebox.com. Amazing, beautiful box from Apple displaying my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I went ahead and got the 512. I plan on doing a bunch of videos, recording drums, all kinds of good stuff. So everything comes in the box. Those are your cables, your charging cables, a little bit different now. It uses the lightning. Earbuds as well. You need to go ahead and order a case and screen protector from Amazon or something ahead of time, because you don't want to break that first couple days on. So what we're going to do is we're going to leverage those computer instructions from the email, and we're going to transfer everything from my original phone over to this new phone. I'm going to restore that one and send it back and get credit. So just follow along with the email. It's fairly easy setup, and then you'll get to a point where you need to do the setup as far as like pick your language and everything, and that's kind of where the video stops. So just follow along. It's a beautiful phone. I highly recommend it. You're going to need the box and the number on the back. I think it's the MEI or IME, whatever. It doesn't matter. You'll see it. Go ahead and fill all that out. Keep going through the questions. Transfer all your data and numbers, contact, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So you need to click that button on the right and the volume up button at the same time. There's no home button anymore, so it's pretty cool. I still had the iPhone 7, so it's a little bit of a learning curve. Go ahead and get to the hello point. You'll pick your language and go through the setup on the phone. And that's about it. Hope you enjoy your new iPhone. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I did the setup on my own. It took me about 15 minutes and even recorded it at the same time. Alright, have a great day. If you thought this video was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.